Good afternoon to all of you. I will start the class now. Okay. I will take first aid practicals. ঠিক আছে? First aid practicals. First aid kit. First aid kit লিখা. How is my network? How is my network?
Miss, fine.
Okay. Okay. Let us start the class. Okay. लिखा first aid into first aid practicals. Okay. I will take your first aid practicals. Write down first aid kit. Okay. কাইলে লৈছিলো নেকি first aid kit? Did I take yesterday first aid kit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We were first aid. Huh?
First aid kit I
Yesterday, what class we took? First aid kit, right? Fariduddin, read out. You were present na yesterday? Read yesterday's class to read out. Unmute yourself.
Wow.
Please read out yesterday's notes. First aid kit. Practicals. Ishan, তুমি read কৰা নহলে?
Ma'am, golden rules of first aid, principles.
নহয় practicals. First aid box কৰিছো যে আমি মানে first aid box নাই start নাই হোৱা নেকি?
First aid kit or kit items খিনি লাগে কৈছিলে।
To read out, read কৰা। Introduction দিছিলো হয় না, introduction definition. So introduction পৰা read কৰা।
Introduction. Introduction of first aid about unit 1 or
certain materials are always needed. It was la first line do. Certain materials are always needed for primary care of first aid.
Ma'am, unit 1 ত লিখা আছিলে introduction to first aid. তাৰ পিছত এতিয়া কালিয়ে লিখৰত লিখা আছিলে ma'am golden rules of first aid. কিন্তু মানে কনফিউজ গৈছো ma'am।
আচ্ছা তেনেহলে তোমাৰ first aid kit to start হোৱা নাই ন practicals? First aid practical start হোৱা নাই ন?
Practical FA practical starting হোৱা নাই ma'am.
Huh?
Theory হে হৈছে।
Theory
হে হৈছে।
Oh আচ্ছা means actually same হয়। ঠিক আছে তেনেহলে লিখা practicals মানে ইয়াত লিখিব লাগিব মই আগতেও কৈছিলো ঠিক আছে তো এইটো start কৰা unit 1 হয় তোমাৰ first aid kit box unit 1 to হয় first aid kit box first aid kit box লিখা introduction certain materials certain 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 materials 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 are always needed. Certain materials are always needed NEED needed for Primary, P-R-I-M-A-R-Y, for primary care of first aid. For primary care of first aid, AID, primary care of first aid. Full stop. If these things if these things are collected and kept in a box, if these things are collected and kept in a box, BOX box, if these things are collected and kept in a box, it will help, HELP, it will help, have, it will help have immense, 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 help by the time of emergency. Immense help, HELP, help by the time of emergency. Immense help by the time of emergency. EMERGENCY, emergency. Full stop. তাৰপিছত লিখা definition. তাৰপিছত লিখা definition. DEFINITION, definition. Definition लिखा first aid kit, KIT kit, first aid kit is a collection and first aid kit is a collection, COLLECTION, is a collection and supplies, 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 collection and supplies of equipment, 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 equipment and materials, MATERIALS, materials that are used, in case, in case of any injuries, or to treat injury from minor or major, or to treat, treat, or to treat injuries from minor to major, MINOR, minor to major, MAJOR, minor to major. Full stop. তাৰপিছত লিখা or to treat injury, or to treat, treat injury, INJURY, or to treat injury from minor to major, MAJOR, major.
Injuries or injury?
Injury from minor to major. INJURY, injury from minor to major. Next, you write down aims and objectives. Aims and objectives. Aims and objectives. Aims and objectives. Number 1, to have basic knowledge, to have basic, BASIC, to have basic knowledge, to have basic knowledge about first aid kits, to have basic knowledge about first aid kit, FIRST, first aid kit. All of you turn on your videos. First aid kit, KIT kit. Number 2, to identify the materials, to identify the materials To identify the materials in a first aid box. To identify the materials in a first aid box. Means you will have to know what things are there in the first aid box. Okay, if you don't know which one is cotton, if you don't know which one is gauze, if you don't know which one is triangular bandage, okay, if you don't know which one is antiseptic cream, then how it will be? You will have to know what is present in the box. Okay, so you should have that knowledge. Third point likha. Number 3, to know how to utilize. To know how to utilize.
Who extra MB for revision? Extra MB.
Okay. What? Number 3 likha, to know how to utilize. Lisa, to know how to utilize the first aid materials or equipments. The first aid materials or equipments. EQUIPMENTS, equipments.
Ma'am, to know how to.
To know how to utilize. 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 Utilize the first aid materials or equipments. Okay, you will have to know at the time of emergency what thing you should use at what time. If someone is suddenly having fever, you can't take a bandage. Okay, if someone is having fever, you should take out a thermometer so that you can check the temperature. If any cut, you should know that there are antiseptic cream, antiseptic lotion. Okay, you have to use that. So what are the materials there? You have to know when to use at what time. Okay. List of materials. List of materials in first aid kit. List of materials in first aid kit. It will likhibo lagibo. I think you all have, right? Do you have first aid kit materials I gave you yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so the same thing will likhibo lagibo. The same thing you will have to write again in the first aid in first aid practicals, and whatever are there like Dettol or antiseptic or cotton bandages tomorrow for akhibo lagibo. Okay, like for example jodi first aid box hoy no, you have to draw this first aid box enekwa eta box. Okay, tar pisot after writing, then see the diagrams. Can you see?
No, ma'am.
Can you see?
No, ma'am.
Etia, you can't see? Etia akhibo nalage. I'm telling you that you will have to draw this in your practical copy. First aid kit items ase no, cotton, bandage, Dettol, swabs, kiba kibi, whatever I've given you, triangular bandage, you will have to draw in your practical copies. Buji paisa?
Ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, see.
Ma'am, apuni ebilak WhatsApp groupot pathai dile hobo.
Photos.
Yes, ma'am.
ঠিক আছে.
Okay, ma'am.
So it will likhibo karone you just keep at the page, just edit at the page area. Okay, just leave one page and last thought you write conclusion. Introduction, definition, aims and objectives, list of materials. List of materials I gave you yesterday. You can see in your WhatsApp group and you can note it down. Last thought conclusion likha. Now you write down conclusion. Same point, same thing. Okay.
Aims of
Conclusion.
objectives.
This first aid box is included in your theory also, in your practical also. That's why the notes are same. Conclusion likha. First aid is regarded. First aid is regarded. First aid is regarded. REGARDED. Regarded as a Scale based, scale SCALE. SCALE, scale based, BASED, scale based knowledge, knowledge, KNOW, scale based knowledge, KNOWLEDGE, knowledge.
Ma'am, I didn't get. First aid is regarded.
Is regarded as a scale, 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 scale. SCALE, scale based, BASED, scale based knowledge, KNOWLEDGE, knowledge on training and experience. Scale based knowledge on training and experience. Training and experience. First up. Hence, 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 comma, hence, comma, one should know, hence, comma, one should know, KNOW, hence, comma, one should know the use of first aid kit. One should know the use of first aid kit in all the first aid kit in all the preserve life, PRESERVE, in all the preserve life, PRESERVE, preserve life, in case of preserve life, in case of emergency, in case of emergency and life-threatening situation. In case of emergency and life-threatening situation. TH, threatening, 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 life-threatening situations. Situation, first up. Change the paragraph. Paragraph change kara. The first aid kit.
Ma'am.
No.
And
Life-threatening situation. Threatening, THREATENING, life-threatening situation. Life-threatening situation. First up. Tarpisot paragraph change kora and write down. The first aid kit is extremely useful. The first aid kit is extremely useful. The first aid kit is extremely useful, USCFUL, useful, and can be used in our day-to-day life. And can be used in our day-to-day life. So this first aid box, okay, the first aid kit, even you all in your own homes, you all should have a first aid box, because anything, anytime anything might happen. So you should always be aware, okay, before the situation arises. Prevention is always better than cure, okay. You will have to prevent. So this box, okay, this is a first aid box. Everyone should have at home, okay. You all should also keep this, and inside this there are so many items like gloves, okay, cotton, gauze. So all these things are required, okay. So this is the first, it's a very simple thing, first aid box. This was made by your seniors, okay, previous year they made this. You have to keep at home, okay, one box each, okay, so that you can use at the time of any emergency, okay, even for your family members also, okay. So Itya, please
Aims of objective number 4 I didn't get.
Aims and objectives.
Yes, ma'am.
The last point.
Yes, ma'am.
To know how to utilize the first aid materials or equipments. To know how to utilize the first aid materials or equipments. Whole.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Done. Okay. Okay. ঠিক আছে, তোমালোকৰ আৰু একবাৰ join কৰাচোন. Now I think PSM practical আছে ন? Please join back again. বুজি পাইছা? Join again, okay? I will end the meeting now. Okay, তাৰপিছত আকৌ join কৰা. Okay?